In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a credit card balance in QuickBooks Online. Reconciliation is the process of matching what's in QuickBooks with what appears on your credit card statement, so your records stay accurate and your reports are trustworthy. Before you begin, have your latest statement handy so you can reference the exact ending balance and the statement date. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and looking at the left navigation panel. Click Accounting, and then select the Reconcile tab. This is the dedicated area where you'll line up your QuickBooks transactions with the ones listed on your statement. If you don't see Reconcile right away, make sure you're in the Accounting section, not the Chart of Accounts view. Once you're in Reconcile, you're in the right place to get started. Next, choose the specific credit card account you want to reconcile from the Account dropdown. This is especially important if you have multiple credit cards or sub-accounts. Make sure you select the exact one that matches the statement in your hand. Now enter the statement's ending balance and the statement ending date exactly as they appear. The ending balance might also be labeled as new balance on some statements. Double check that you've typed the balance correctly, including decimal places, and use the statement's ending date rather than today's date. Accuracy here ensures the reconciliation process lines up perfectly. When your account, ending balance, and date are set, click Start Reconciling. This opens the reconciliation screen where you can match transactions in QuickBooks to the ones listed on your credit card statement. You'll see a running difference at the top. Your goal is to bring that difference to zero by checking off the transactions that appear on your statement. Work methodically, usually by date, and compare amounts carefully. If something doesn't match, pause and verify the details on your statement and in QuickBooks. Sorting or filtering can help you find specific transactions faster. Avoid forcing a reconciliation if the difference isn't zero. Take the time to identify typos, duplicates, or missing entries before you proceed. Once you've matched the transactions and the difference shows zero, you've effectively reconciled the balance. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to Accounting, open the Reconcile tab, select the correct credit card, enter the statement ending balance and date, click Start Reconciling, and then work through the list to match what's on your statement. Take it slow, stay consistent, and you'll keep your books clean and reliable every month.